I am Allie Delaboa, and I'm the Youth Programming Coordinator for MidPointe Library System. Our library system services the eastern part of Butler County, which includes branches at Middletown, Liberty, Monroe, Trenton, and Westchester. And within that, we serve approximately 200,000 people. The grant that we received from the State Library of Ohio through federal LSTA funds from IMLS was for our initiative called Starting Pointe. Starting Pointe is our early literacy initiative where families can sign up when babies are born, as long as they're under 1 year old, and this gets mailed to their house. And inside are all kinds of fun things, including their very own library card addressed to the child. There are some informational sheets in here, just milestones, library information, of course, information on Dolly Parton's Imagination Library of Ohio sign up to make sure that the kiddos get involved with that because we love Dolly. And we also send out a board book, a bib, and then some things that we use in programs, so a scarf and a shaker egg. The funds that we received from the State Library of Ohio through the LSTA grant, it was $50,000. And with that, we purchased the majority of the items in the box. That also included marketing materials, so we had billboards go out, bookmarks that we send out when we're at events. We have some in the library. We gave them to our community partners just to make sure that we knew that our families in the area could know about Starting Pointe and know how to sign up. You can sign up inside the library at each branch, or you can do it online. We see most of our signups online though. All of the books that we purchased were from Blue Manatee Press in Cincinnati, and the majority of the books are written by a renowned doctor at Cincinnati Children's. So we wanted to make that connection with early literacy too, of making sure that they were quality books that we are sending out. Once the babies turn a year old, we send a birthday card to them that says, "Happy birthday, come to the library to get a gift." And that is a different board book. And then an option of the most adorable clothing you've ever seen. There's a onesie option with our logo on the back, or a t-shirt option. We received these grant funds in the start of 2023, and we rolled out the signups for this in March. Since March of 2023, we have mailed out 332 boxes to families in our service area, which makes me very happy. It's just a very heartwarming number to know that we've reached 332 families in such a short amount of time. That is 332 families that we like to think that we connected with at the earliest ages, so we can make little readers into leaders and get them connected to not only the programs and the services that we have, but just all the other resources that we have available at the library for our families. We decided to focus on early literacy for this grant because we know how important it is that babies' brains develop between birth and the age of 5. So with me having an education background, early literacy is very, very important to me. So when this grant became available, I knew instantly that I wanted to focus on early literacy and how we can help our families in our service area be the strongest families that they can for their little ones. Without receiving the grant funds, we wouldn't have been able to do this project at all. I am very appreciative to the State Library of Ohio and IMLS for the grant funds that we received. And I can't express that enough. It makes me very emotional just thinking about what we were able and are still able to do years later with $50,000, and how that is helping our community in ways that we don't even know the impact of.